The left hand grips tightly, sealing the mouth of the bottle. Squeeze the body of the plastic bottle tightly with your right hand, then suddenly let go. Next, we will prepare the solvent using the following components: gasoline, waste oil, black paint, black silicone sealant, then, mix the ingredients together thoroughly. Once the mixture has been thoroughly mixed, apply the mixture evenly onto the tire. The result: tires restored to a glossy black finish.